Okay, today's date is 1/31/17. Distributive. Distributive property. Alright, exactly. So, let's make sure that we're on task. Okay, let's go real quick over what we learned yesterday. So, if I give you, go ahead and do this problem. This problem should be an easy problem for you to quickly do. What are the basic ones? So the distributive property says multiply the 4 times the 2m and the 4 times the 3x, right? So 4 times 2m plus 4 times 3x. 4 times 2m is good. Plus 4 times 3x is, and we're done, right? So that's like basic. Now, quickly, guys, I showed you 1/2 4w plus 20m. What do you guys remember yesterday about the 1/2? Yes? It's always half of your numbers, right? So when I distribute 1/2 times 4w plus 1/2 times 20m. So 2w plus what? Good. Right? So you remember that it's half. Why is it half? Because the denominator is 2. So you're dividing by 2. Alright. What if it's 1/6? Good job. Write it down. Write it down. Who wants to volunteer their answer? Michael? Good. So when you're distributing this, 1/6 times 24y plus 1/6 times 36x. When you have a numerator of 1 and a denominator of 6, all you have to do is divide by 6. Alright? So this would be 4y plus, what's 36 divided by 6? 6x. Good? Alright. Ladies, what if I give you so here you have one that the numerator is not 1, so I can't just divide by 5. So what you do is you turn this into a decimal. What is it, guys? Good job. So this turns into 0.4. So I'm going to distribute 0.4 to the 10x, the 0.4 to the 12m. You're writing this down. 0.4 times 10x plus 0.4 times 12m. So you go to the side and you multiply. What's 10 times 0.4? What's 12 times 0.4? So do this problem and do this problem. You have 2 problems to do on the side, showing your work. Jamari, you have answers? So 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 1 is 4. How many times do I move the decimal? 1. So what number is that? 4. So this is 4x plus, and then I go over here. What's 2 times 4? 8. 4 times 1 is 4. How many times do I move the decimal? 1. So how many m's do I have? 4.8 m. It is easy, right? It looks complicated, but all you have to do is if they give you one of those, you turn it into a decimal. Got it? All right, you try one on your own. Extra credit for the person who said that. Too late. All right, go. Get to work, guys. Kimberly, get to work. Okay, get to work quietly. Who wants to give me their answer? Okay, not yet. We're going to give them a couple more seconds. Well, Joshua, can you tell me what 3/5 is equal to? So everybody, that's your first step, right? It's 0.6. Joshua, what did you get? Yep, right. 12 times 0.6, so that's 7.2 m plus 4.8 y. Good. So the easy ones is if they give it to you as the numerator is 1, right? The hard ones are these, but they're really not that hard. You just turn them into decimals. I don't know if I want to teach you that. All right. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. All right. Yeah, I'll record it. This one's a little bit more difficult, but follow along. It's not terrible. All right. 2/3 9x plus 24m. Yes, it looks just like the one you just did, right? But when you try to turn this into a decimal, what happens? It's a repeating decimal, so you really don't want to be multiplying by a repeating decimal because our answers will be off. So what you do is you distribute this, but you literally distribute it 2/3 times. Now, question: how do you turn 9, the whole number 9, into a fraction? Good. Remember how in elementary last year you just put this over 1? So 9x over 1 plus 2/3 times what? 24m. We're going to stick the m with it over 1. So now you're going to be multiplying fractions. It's easy, right? You just multiply straight across, or you simplify before you multiply. And if you simplify before you multiply, you actually get an easier problem. Well, Yeah, the 2 and the 1 you can't simplify, but can you simplify 3 and 9? Yeah, by what? So that gives you 1, and that gives you 3. So what's 2 times 3? 6 over 1. Oh, don't forget the x. Hey, what is 6x over 1? 6x. So this is equal to 6x. Plus, here, can't simplify the 2 or the 1, but I can simplify 3 and 24. By 3, so 1, and this gives you 8. I like to circle them because that's when... Have I lost you, gentlemen? Have I lost you? At least look up here. At least write this down. That's the least I can do. No, Jamari, you're too busy playing with your pencil, so I need you on task. All right. 2 times 8 is 16m over 1, so that's just 16m. So your final answer is 6x plus 16m. It's more work, but it's not super difficult work. You should know how to multiply fractions, right? You could have just gone 2 times 9 is 18 over 3. 18 over 3, 6. 2 times 24 is 48. 48 divided by 3 is 16. But if you do simplify beforehand, it becomes an easier problem. All right? Let's see if you can do this one on your own, which is the same theory as what we just did. That's what I gave my honors kids. 2/3 30x plus 18y. And I should look up, and you should be writing. Leo, I should see you writing. Good. If you're doing it on your own, continue, and don't look up until you're done. If you're not sure what you're doing, then you're doing it with me. Okay. When you're done, you can look up here. If you need help, look up here. But if you really want to try it on your own, do it all the way and then look up. See if you got what I got.